This video will show you how to set up Java Development Kit on Windows 10. So start by pressing the start button, open CMD, and see if Java is installed by typing javac. If javac is not recognized, you need to Google Java Development Kit, JDK, and then click on the Java SE downloads. Scroll down and click on the JDK download link. Scroll down, accept the license agreement, and download the Java Development Kit for your type of computer. Since I'm using Windows here, I'm just going to download the Windows version. If I click on this, I'll download this following file. I am going to start by double clicking it and say yes so that it begins the installation. Click on next, let it install itself, and I'll just leave it as is by default. Click next. Close. And now the next thing is, let's just check to see CMD, type javac, still nothing, still not recognized. So I have to go and set up the path. So I'm going to press the start button, I'm going to type env, and I'm going to edit the system environment variables, not my account, but edit the system environment variables. Click that, and this is going to open, and then click on environment variables right here, and you will see this. So in the path, you can click path, edit, and you will see that actually I had it from before. Let me remove it. So if you click on path and edit, you will see that something like this. So now we need to basically tell the computer where to find javac. Where's javac? It's going to be in local disk, program files, Java Development Kit, whatever version you downloaded, under bin. And if you scroll down, there's going to be a javac.exe file. So this is where this file is saved on your computer. We need to tell Windows where to look for this javac when we type javac. So I'm going to click new. I just copied this, and I'm going to click new here, and I'm going to paste this path to javac, say OK, OK again, OK to this. Now open CMD again. Javac is now a recognized command.